Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be working on this little New Britain socket set. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get a good quick look at this little New Britain set. It's pretty clean as is, but we really definitely need to clean this up more. I'm going to show you what she looks like. The wrench, to me it looks like somebody threw some welds on there to create stops. I don't like that. We're going to have to get those off there, and it's on both sides. But as you can see, hopefully this will show up. I don't know if it will, it's so faint. It says New Britain across the top of it. Oh boy, I hope that's showing. The sockets are all in good shape. I looked them over. There's no broken or cracked sockets. They all need cleaning. We're going to start with the little holding tray because this is going to take the longest. I say we jump right into it right now. Let's go. Alright, that thing came out absolutely awesome. I'm real happy with that. Nice and shiny. Cool. Get these sockets put in there. Sockets are all done. Wrong way. There we go. The New Britain socket set. All nice and clean. I'm happy with that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alrighty guys, well, the New Britain socket set came out really nice. I'm quite happy with the outcome. Hope you guys are too. That's it for this one. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.